Everyone makes mistakes. Knowing how to apologize is powerful and helps fix problems fast. To apologize means to say sorry when you do something wrong or hurt someone by accident. A common mistake is forgetting to apologize when you should. Also, don't use it to avoid responsibility by saying too casually. Common phrases: apologize for something, apologize to someone, sincerely apologize about a situation. I apologize for being late. She apologized to her friend. We should apologize sincerely. Don't forget to apologize when you make a mistake. Tom accidentally broke his sister's toy. He felt bad and apologized. His sister smiled and forgave him. That made their day better. Think of apologize as apologize, like logging your mistake and saying sorry to clear it. Now you know how to apologize. Remember to use it sincerely. Try it today and see the difference.